Action in 3, 2, 1. Shit! Ah! Oh!
Abnormal.
Abnormal.
Abnormality.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Abnormality.
Yes, today we'll be trying these berries that, these pills. I mean, sorry, that come from the berry. Yeah.
So these little things here, if you might have seen them on the internet, they dissolve in your mouth, and they actually change the way you taste. So like sour becomes sweet, and hot becomes sweet, and like sweet becomes sour, and it's gonna be so weird. So we got a random assortment of things here that we're going to
Unfortunately, apparently the pills taste bad themselves. But.
Yeah, I hope they don't take too long to dissolve. But we're probably gonna speed up the when we take the pills. Play a little funny song. So if I just can get this out of here.
Yeah.
Yours. Don't touch it because we're gonna be putting it in your mouth. Come on, almost there. Okay. Now, I guess really there's not really much to wait. 2, 3.
They don't taste too bad. They taste like berries.
They taste like
They taste like just powdery berries.
Try and keep it on your tongue. Apparently, so tastes like weedy berries. Have you ever had superfruit?
What?
Tastes of superfruit, like those little red. It tastes like that with wheat. Have you ever had those?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Well, everybody, I'm the entertainment for this part. Hi, how are you? Not really much to entertain about. Sadly, they said I can't have an mberry, which sucks, but yeah. You know what, Jackson? Oh!
Oh! Wow, really bunch in the dragons.
Almost finished dissolving, still a little while. But I wish it were just hollow, like in the very middle, so.
This has it off.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now let's actually. I'm actually gonna scare it now. Okay, so let's try. So what should we try first? The lemon. This is what I'm probably most excited about.
Yeah.
I guess we'll just.
This is gonna be so weird.
Kind of like that.
I can't even feel like anything weird thing in my mouth or anything. It's like.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's sweeter. This is so tasty.
I like it better, yeah.
It's like sour lemonade.
Yeah, it does taste like lemonade. It's just really.
It tastes exactly like lemonade.
Because I can still taste the sour quite a bit, but. They should make lemonade lemon. They should make lemonade lemons. Just put a bunch of these like in lemons.
I just want to crush a bunch of berries in them.
Yeah.
Good.
I want to finish this one. Throw the soda on.
Let's try vinegar. I'll be right back. Isaac, entertain them. Right, so I got some shot glasses. We're gonna do vinegar. That was good.
Okay, so.
I'm actually kind of worried about the vinegar. Ready? I'm just gonna It tastes good! It tastes like beet juice. No, it tastes like mustard pickles juice. hot sauce next. Hot sauce. Sriracha.
Okay.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 2, 3. It went. That was good. It went up, like we're down the wrong
Okay,
hole.
can I have a sip of that after?
Yeah.
So hot.
Whoa, that milk tastes really. Whoa. Okay, let's just. Okay, peanut butter.
Even the milk tastes weird.
Yeah, peanut butter. Sure doesn't the hot sauce last? That's gonna ruin some things.
Same or different?
It's a bit different.
Okay, I need more milk. So hot. Sounds so bad. Should probably taste it.
It's good to me. This brings back memories from our. What are we tasting? Just a bit different, but the melon was the best. Wow. Okay. Oh, feel better now.
It tastes the same for me, peanut butter.
I think there's a bit of a difference, but
I don't use that kind of peanut butter anyway, so. Anyway, that helps with the sauce.
Let's do the Holly Jollies, if you know what I mean. Next, cheers.
Thanks.
I think the mberry stuff is kind of worn off. Yeah, alright. Okay. This does not taste like a green Jolly Rancher. It's different. It's not as tangy and sour as I like. It's a lot sweeter. Do you taste different?
I don't know, Jolly Ranchers a lot.
To me, it tastes so much sweet because I have a lot of green Jolly Ranchers. Trust me, a lot of you would know that. And this is like really sweet compared to a normal green Jolly Rancher.
I still have peanut butter in my mouth.
I definitely don't like it much, but that is so much more sweet. I'm interested to see what the warheads are like. And the vinegar was definitely sweeter. Like, the vinegar was better than normal vinegar.
It says extreme sour. I'm sure it's like extreme sweet with the warheads now or something.
Right. Ready for this?
Extreme sweet.
I can't believe it. I always have bad luck with hot sauce. Sorry, I have a cough. Like with the hot sauce, right when I like bit it, it shot to the back of my throat down the wrong hole. So I started gagging. Well,
Okay, let's try warheads and berries.
3. No, clink it. 8, 2, 1. I think it's like this.
It still is quite sour, but yours probably.
I don't even have to do the technique. I can just put it all around my mouth. Fill my saliva with sourness and it's still really
Yours
sweet.
probably worked better because it seems like mine's not working as well. The berries.
Maybe I let it dissolve more. That was the best warhead I've ever had. That was not sour at all for me. That was just like biting into like kind of like a sour apple. That is so weird. That is so unbelievably weird.
Oh, yum.
Yum. Oh, good. This is good. Okay. Extra sweet, juicy fruit. Yum.
I got a stale one. Seems like mine's wearing off.
Yeah, it tastes like sweet orange. I'll eat this lemon again.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, that has been this episode of Abnormality. I hope you enjoyed. Have another piece of gum. Tastes kind of weird. Yeah. Really sweet, sweet gum. Anyway, I love you all so much. I love my fans. I love them. I think they're great. Yeah, I just love my fans. So, when this atomic bomb goes off, I'll see everybody later. Anyway. Bye.